How to unlock special skins in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device. Then tap on the character icon to see all your unlocked characters and customization options. Next, tap on the Skins tab to view available skins for your characters. Some skins are unlocked automatically as you progress through the game, while others require completing special missions, events, or challenges. Keep an eye out for limited time events, seasonal updates, or in-game rewards that often grant access to exclusive skins. To unlock a skin, check the requirements listed under each skin. This might include collecting a certain number of rings, reaching a specific level, winning a set number of races, or completing a particular challenges. Focus on achieving these milestones to unlock skins faster and efficiently. You can also participate in special events or daily missions, as these often provide exclusive or rare skins that aren't available through regular gameplay. Completing these events rewards you not only with skins, but sometimes bonus rings or materials that help in upgrading your characters. Once you unlock a skin, tap to equip it and see it in action during races and events. Customizing your character with these special skins makes your gameplay more exciting and allows you to stand out among other players. Now you know how to unlock special skins in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.